Hi everyone. How to make a handsome rocket with just a few changes. This Softail model provides an excellent basis for building a dragster-like bike in a few simple steps. The FXDR scores especially well with factory-installed dual brake discs, an aluminum swing arm and an upside-down fork. The Simple 3 comes with the powerful 114 Milwaukee-Eight engine, which delivers its brute torque of 160 Nm to the rear wheel at 3,500 revolutions per minute. Best conditions for a fast rocket. For the conversion we have taken parts from our FXDR product range that was specially developed for the FXDR. We already did a series of FXDR Custombikes, which we slimmed down by implementing our own products. Some of them we modified into dragsters. With the Simple 3 we are not talking about a dragster. The front of the bike is still too high for that, but our customer said that this was just his first stage of customizing. Especially noticeable is the rear. With the 260er tire instead of the original 240er we have gone a little bit more into the width. A lowering kit provides the deep seat, with 45 mm the maximum possible to get the tail down without using another fender. The plastic wheel cover had to move an AURI-approved tail light. Flash, a combination of CNC milled aluminum with black finish, was inserted into the original fender. The license plate moves to the left side and is held by the matte black license plate holder and the inside plate, which is made of high-quality billet aluminum. The cable inside and the invisible screw connection ensures the desired clean look. With the lateral attachment of the license plate we have added a matte black belt guard, which should provide for the optically perfect cover of the belt. The original exhaust should be replaced by a system from Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. Together with the customer we decided to take the V-Strike exhaust, which provide for the parallel termination of the two pipes from the Shorty Street Fighter pipes. Also, the original air filter with the giant funnel is now a thing of the past. Instead, our oval air filter does a service on this FXDR. For the front turn signals we have used the M-Blaze from Motorrad-Design. The rear ones are in the fender. They are small and inconspicuous and shines very bright. As you can see, you can improve the look of the FXDR with just a few measures. Thanks for watching.